Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to make your desktop more beautiful or optimize your laptop. So first thing we should do is to install more beautiful wallpaper. So go to files, which I will upload you on Telegram. You can install it. So go to wallpapers, select anything you want. I collected some nice wallpapers. I will choose this. It looks better now, yeah? So, and next thing we should do is install all other programs. First program Minipin Rocket Dog Start is Black++ Ultra Theme Patcher. Don't install Wallpaper Engine and Windows Tweaker. We will install them a bit later. So now I will a bit about these programs. Oh, Minibin, I agree. Next, install. I have installed that. Yes, finish. Close. And you see there is a little minimized trash can. So if you don't know how to remove this can from your desktop, go to personalization, parameters, or and go to themes, icons, or desktop parameters, and take off all ticks here. And okay, that's all. Here is program. You see? And next program. I think we will install Rocket Dog also a bit later. Now about Start is Black++. You install it. I have installed that, so there is no need of installing this for me. You will install that. It's a trial. You can buy it, so you can use it forever. So you can choose any of them. So it changes vision, view. So here are icons. Usually there are 4 icons when you install the program. You can download other icons from this file, which I will upload this to Telegram. Desktop, files for video, icons. Here are 2 files, it's called words and start buttons. If you go to work, so you see, you select any of them and open, or here start buttons. Very large amount of icons here. Okay, you open and select that. And next thing is, first here there should be 75%, and next there should be tick and make it 100%, and then 39, 30, 44, or I go to 33, or 39, 44, and 50. Okay, looks better. And here to make it dark. Okay, looks better, yeah? And go to personalization, and you can change theme. To do this, you install UltraX Theme Patcher, and you should reset your laptop because it doesn't work if you don't reset. So you reset and you can download from this link 17 Starksul. I think I'll make another video how to install. So there is my thing which I have installed, MagPack Dark, and then go to colors, make a dark system. And I think this color is much beautiful. As I said before, it's a simple laptop, so it doesn't work very fast. And close, so now it looks better. So here's my thing. It's a Windows, but it looks like a Mac, yeah? Rounded. Next thing we're doing is look at these icons. They it seems that they look a lot of space, yeah? In my desktop they don't, but in a lot of users are like this. So we open links here, and there should be a tick, and open, and put all your programs there, programs which you need. Okay. See, minimize icons, a lot of space in the desktop, and it seems good here. So next, if usually in our desktop there is under programs little tick. There is usually a little tick. To take off this, we have a program Winter Weekend. So go to programs. Install Winter Tweaker. Launch this. One thing that it's a Russian program, and when you are installing, I have installed that, so there is no window before that. When you are installing, please click right side of mouse when you are installing. You will see it later. So here you can find it. For example, interface. So here you can find tick and OK. It will work. And next program is Rocket Dock. So we installed Rocket Dock. Yes. English, okay. Next. I accept. Next. Install. Okay, finish. So if we launch Rocket Dock, okay, so here are programs. Usually it will appear on the top, so you click with the right mouse and settings. Settings of panel. So here do what you see. For example, I can show you where is English. here's English. Okay. Dock settings, English, run at startup, go to icons, high quality, 52 pixels, zoom bubble, then zoom 10 pixels, and here's zoom with 2, zoom duration 100, position, screen position, you can put it anywhere. I prefer having it at bottom, and wearing always on bottom is 00 style, theme blank, let's see 0, disable icon labels. We have here's Uber icon effects, and that's all. Okay, and you can put programs here, take a fit, for example like this, and like that. You see, it's easy, so you can delete all the files you don't need. And then if you have programs which you don't use much, but for example, I usually forget which programs do I have, so you can pin it to home screen. So if we find, for example, Rocket Dog, when your Rocket Dog is not working, you can launch it. So pin at the home screen. So here it is. Change its size, small. You can rename it. For example, programs for desktop, like that. Here's Streamlabs, for example. Change size, middle. So you see all programs which you need. So I'll boost it up. That's all. So you see, I have put all programs which I need here, and programs are here. And next thing we do is we are installing. So if you don't know how to change your icons, for example, I have this Rocket Dog. So you for example, you find it, and there are maybe, for example, here it is. Okay, change icon. You put this, browse, and you find that you can find icons here. Here are a lot of icons which you can use. Here are also icons, Lumi icons, nomic circle. For example, if you go to Lumi icons, here are also a large amount of icons. Excel icons update, so you will see by yourself. And next, there are auto icons also. I have uploaded them. Here are icons which you can install by yourself. And here's iPack Porcelain. You can install it, so it changes your system like this. And next thing is next program we should go to Rainmeter, download it. Okay, English, where is English? Here it is. Okay. Next, launch Rainmeter on startup. Yes. Install. Yes. Run Rainmeter. Yes. Finish. Okay. Close all these files. Skin. Unload. We don't need them. And open. Here is a Yosemite menu bar skin. If you want, you can install it, but I don't want. It like who wants like Mac OS? Will be like this startup here, and here's the Windows and something. I saw that. Okay, install. Now go to parameters. If we do it here, so look, you see, but I don't need that. Windows startup is more beautiful. Go to top, and you should install this ThinBar Suite Rainmeter. Okay, install. And now it's loading. Yes, working. And there is other icons. And unload them off. I only need this watch. So unload. If you want, you don't have to unload. Skin menu, unload. Here is the thing which I don't need. So I have unloaded, which I don't need, button. So here is a date. You can put it anywhere. I prefer not working. here's a little unload and manage skin. Oh no, settings, it's not draggable. Okay, and edit skin. So color, I prefer red one, so 0, Arial, zero, Arial, and only here's Arial. Okay, save, close, refresh. I think I did something wrong. Red color is here also should be 0, 0. That's all. Refresh. Yes. Draggable. Another place. I usually prefer here, so I drag these files. Our next program is Wallpaper Engine. If your laptop is more powerful, you can install it, but if it's not, it's by your own. So here's Wallpaper Engine. It's not a free program. You should buy it on Steam. But if you don't want to buy, you can download it from here. You can install it. I have downloaded that. It takes a little bit time. So here it is. Change wallpaper. You can't upload other wallpapers because it didn't link to Steam. But here are enough wallpapers, I think. So for example, if our watch, we select our watch and OK. So here you see, looks very cool. If it's a laptop, it may take a little bit more battery. But if you are with computer, it will not change anything, and it will be working without any errors. Now, I don't need that because this laptop isn't very powerful. So here it is. If you double click on Manabin, it will delete all things. And I think that's all. If you have any questions, please contact our bot, and we will make a video about that. Invite your friends, and if you have any suggestions or comments, you can write it in our group or also contact with our bot. And if you have ads, also you can contact with our bot. So see you in next videos. Goodbye.